Kitchen with Rosa. So I decided to make a little lunch with some leftover chicken that I had from the other day. I had from the tacos. So I have some leftover chicken, so I'm gonna make little taquitos. So I take the chicken, I scoop it in the taco. Cause you know they sell these, but I never like the ones that they sell because they don't never have enough chicken or
the flavor.
The flavor is not really good. So I just started doing it on my own, making it myself. Instead of buying the frozen ones. And I put a little bit of cheese. And then I just wrap it up. At the end, I just take a little bit of water on my finger, put it here. So they could stick.
Put rice in it?
Huh? Oh, I didn't put rice. Oh, that's a good idea. I could put one with rice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my husband just gave me an idea. That's because he's a rice eater. So let me do one with rice.
Rice in the chicken, yep.
Take some of this yellow rice.
Yes, yeah, that's seafood rice.
No, this is not the seafood.
Yeah,
This is
seafood rice.
This is the vegetable rice. The seafood rice is in there. I'm gonna make that with this.
Oh, the vegetable rice is good, yeah.
No, this is like the taco rice. Okay, and put a little bit of cheese. This one will be for my husband.
That one will be good, yeah. Definitely.
So then you just wrap it. A little bit of water. And that's it. You could spray them a little bit with some olive oil. So I'm going to stick them in the air fryer. And let them bake for like probably 5 minutes. And they'll be done. See, even with leftovers you can make food. Put this in here. This in here on the top shelf. $3.75. I was $3.75 for like 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. When it's done, I'll show you how it looks. See you soon. Okay, so welcome back. So they're done. It didn't take long. Just a few minutes. They came out pretty good. Look at that.
They smell good.
See?
Mm-hmm.
What you could do with your leftover chicken. So in case you had leftover chicken from the chicken and taco, right? I mean chicken and tacos, chicken tacos. So you can use it to make, what are these called again? Taquitos. And that's it. See you soon. Bye.